Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be doing a chaos ribbon swipe. I'm going to basically pour these colors out on the canvas, give it some swipe with some cell activator, and then do some tilting. I'm using greens again. I'm going with a green theme. So it's going to be bright, vibrant, and hopefully get a lot of lacing and big chunky cells. So let's get it on the canvas, get started. Be right back. All right guys, so I've got a 20 by 20 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. I found a bunch of these canvases in my back room that I had painted on a long time ago. And I didn't even realize they were sitting back there. So I'm going to repurpose them. I have no idea what this intended to be, but since it's already painted a lot of green, I'm going to be using some green colors. It's been a hot minute since I've done my chaos ribbon swipes. So what I'm going to do is primarily use blues, greens, and yellow. Then I'm going to swipe with my cell activator and we'll tilt out. This is a phthalo green mixture that I used in another painting. So we're just going to ribbon pour these colors out. This is my leftover lemon yellow. Let's see. This is a little of the yellowish green leftover from another pour. And we're gonna go in here with some of my blue, which this was a combination of King's blue with a little bit of sky blue light added into it. And this is a little bit different, darker shade of my phthalo green. We're going to come in with some of reflex green. And then I've got some greenish blue. What I'll do today is swipe with my White Cell Activator. There's not much left in my bottle. I think we'll just kind of make like a little S shape. So I'm just gonna throw some white on the back of this palette knife. Let this run around. We'll lose our outermost corners, which is okay. I think what we'll go this side first. Really like what happened with this lacing in here. It's really cool. Really kept those colors in there too. I got my green, definitely green in there, right? And the yellow, the greenish blue, really in there. But yeah, this is lacing. It just kind of moves through there. Love it. Love how giant things are. It's really cool. Let's hear. Which way is better? I think we'll go here. I think this composition's good. I like the craziness of the greens. Really nice. Is this an air bubble? It's an air bubble. Let's give it a torch. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here, bring you guys down so you can see this wet result. Okay, here we are with the aqua greens. Look at the lacing here, really cool. I like the stretch. Look at that. Oops. Look at the peacock cells, cells within cells, really cool. All right, we'll see this one is dry. Okay guys, that is it. This is still wet. I can hold it up for like 1 second. So, ready, set, go. There it is. It is still wet in the center. little wet on my fingers. My studio's not super warm, so it's taken a few extra days to dry. So I will show you guys the full dried result when I get back from work. I'm gonna be gone for quite a few days, so I'm not sure when that video is coming, but as soon as I get the dry result, I will show you all. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the weekend, and I'll see you next week, hopefully. Bye-bye.